will see the what will be the decimal roots. Okay, square roots or a cube root or a fourth root. We'll see that things. Okay, we'll see that things. So what now? First I'll tell how to find the square root values. Okay, how to find the square root values. So what I'll do, I'll take one example now. Okay, so first example I'll take square root of 0.0841. See here, they not mentioned anything. So if it is not mentioned anything means you have to assume that it is a square root. Okay, so it's a common thing. अगर उन्होंने कुछ value नहीं दिया इधर, so that will be a what? You have to find a square root of. Okay, if it is a cube root, अगर आपको cube root find out करना है तो, so they'll give here 3 value. Okay, or else they'll give a 4. Then only you can directly find a fourth value or a cube value. But here, now what? No, most of the cases they won't mention anything here. So it is understood like they are asking you to find a square root. Okay, it is understood like they are asking you to find a square root. So I have to find a square root now. No, the normal. First I'll take a without decimal point. So if they ask what will be the square root of 841, okay, so if it's a 841 square root, I know the 841 ka square root kya aayega. I told you to make a list. So here 29 will be a square root. Okay, so but I don't know about the this thing, how many points will come. So here how to do this, I know now. Without a decimal value 29 is there, but what you have to do, if square root is asked, okay, if square root is asked, what you have to make, you have to make a pair of 2 2. If square root is asked, okay, if square root is asked, okay, make a group of 2 values. Okay, make a group of 2 values. So here 1 group and 2 group. Okay, now what I found, like 2 groups are there. So point किधर रखना है, 2 value के पहले. Now this is a 2 9. You have to point keep here 0. Okay, why I have to keep only here? So make a group of 2 2. So how many group can happen? 2 groups can happen. So give a decimal point before 2 points. Okay, or else 0.29. And understood? So here what you have to make, 29 अगर पहले हमने लिखा था, so give a square decimal value before 2 points. अगर 3 pair रहा, so here say one more pair is there, then what you have to make, give a decimal point before 3 digits. So अभी 2 है, add a 1 0 here. So this will become your answer. And if here 4 groups are there, so then add one more 0. Okay, then that will become an answer of decimal value. So here the answer for this question will become a 0.29. हमने 29 कैसे किया? We had made a 2 groups because square root is asked and we kept a decimal before 2 digits. Okay, this is the one method. And I'll give one more question. You people tell now. So square root of, if nothing is given, means you have to understood they are asking a square roots. Okay, so here now they'll ask what will be the square root of 0.00484. Okay, 0.00484. So what is the first step? First take a 484 का square root. इसका square root क्या आएगा? What will be the square root? 484 का square root क्या आएगा?
22.
Yes. So you will get a 22 as a square root. Now in the given question they ask what will be the square root of this value. So here since they are square root, make a 2 2 group. This is the first group, second group, 3 group. So when you have to keep the decimal now before 3 digits. So here already 2 are there, add a 2 more zeros. sorry, 1 0. So here after 3 digits you have to keep. After 3 digit, or sorry, before 3 digit, keep a decimal point. Keep a decimal point. Okay, this is the way how to find a value for a decimal. So I'll give one more question. Just try this. 0. Tell me the answer of this. So this is the answer. Before 4 digit, you have to keep a decimal value. Yes. 0. 00 0. Give me the square root value of this in decimals. And don't worry, whenever they give in the exam, yes, tell.
0.011.
0.011. So 3 groups are there. Okay. So this is answer. And don't worry that in the exam, they always ask if they want to get a decimal roots. They always ask in such a like you should make a group, like वो ग्रुप बन ही जाता है, ऐसे नहीं कि एक वैल्यू ऐसे फ्री में रह जाएगा. No, never they'll give such a question. They'll make a like, they'll give in such a way like it will become a group. Okay, ऐसे group नहीं बनने वाला question नहीं देते. It is always like you will make a group and you will get an answer. So what? No, now this is the one way. Now if they ask the second type, like they'll ask a cube root. They'll ask a cube root like 0.000512. Okay, so 512 का value क्या है? So cube root of 512 is what? What's the cube root of 512?
8.
Yes. Okay, cube root of 512 is 8. Now here what you have to make? Here also you have to make a group, but not by the 2 values. So here you have to make a group of 3 values. Make a group of 3 values. Okay, so here 2 pairs are there. So keep a value 0.08. So this is your answer, because 2 pairs are there with the 3 values. Give a decimal value before 2 digits, because 2 pairs we got. Understood? So I'll give one more question. Cube root of 0.347. 0.347. Yes. It will come. Cube root का कैसे करना है मालूम हुआ ना? So now we'll go with next one, next root, that is 4th root. Okay, so I'll go with next one, 4th root. The 4th is 4th root of 0.4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 and 0 2 5 6. So इधर क्या करना है? So I know the 4th root of 256. इसका आंसर क्या है? 4. कैसे? 4 4 जा 16. Okay, 16 4 जा 4 cube is what? 64. Again 64 4 क्या होता है? 256. So this is the 4th cube. Okay, so here root of that fourth value is 4 आएगा. Okay, so here what you have to make? They ask here 4th root. So 0.000000256. So here make a group of 4 digits. Okay, make a group of 4 digits. Here one group and here two group, and keep a value, decimal value, 2 digit before. So here is the answer 0.04. So this is the answer 0.04 is the answer. Okay, and this is the one thing. If they ask, okay, so if they ask sixth root like 0.000729, okay, 729, हमको क्या करना है, what will be the sixth root of 729 पता लगना है. ओके, सेवेंथ रूट का क्या आंसर है इधर, सिक्स रूट 3, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा 3. सो हियर मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 6 डिजिट, सो इधर एक ही बनेगा. सो मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 6 डिजिट. देखो इफ, okay, I'll tell that. So here you will get answer is 0.3 is the answer. 0.3 is the answer. Okay, so here these are the things. I'll just repeat. See here, if they ask square root or if they ask to find a square root, so make a pair of 2 digits. Okay, make a pair of 2 digits and keep a decimal points how many digit it contains. And if it is a cube root, okay, so make a pair of 3 digits and keep a decimal value according to that. And if it is a fourth, okay, pair of 4 digits. And if it's a fifth, make a pair of 5 digits. If it's a 6, make a pair of 6. And 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So on. So just remember, whenever they ask any decimal value roots, if they ask you to find a root value of any decimal value, just keep in mind how to make a pairing. If they ask a square, make a 2 pairs and keep a value how many pairs it has before that, or nothing has, so only one. Nothing has, only one pair is there, only 1 point. 2 pair is there, 2 decimal before. 3 pair is there, 3 digits before. Okay, like that. So here keep in mind, it's a simple to remember. 4 digit pair, 5 digit pair. Okay, like that you have to make a pair. Understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'll solve one problem on this. So you have to remember, and sometimes they'll ask a mix of any digits. Sum of square root will be there, sum of cube root will be there. So I'll solve one question now. So take one example, 7.84, okay, plus 0.0784 plus 0.000784 plus square root of 0. Okay, 0.000784. So what will be the answer? इसका आंसर क्या है? So first find out what will be the square root of 784. 784 का square root क्या होगा?
28.
Yes, 28. So keep a decimal values according to that. So here first one is the, don't get confused. Here only one pair will become. So one pair will become means it will become like only one digit before the one digit decimal before the any digit. So you'll get here 2.8. Okay. So like this, when they give, you have to write this. Square root of 7.84 will be 2.8. Now rest all like that you add. Give me the final answer. So first I know here is a only one pair will become. Let's say 28 is a 784 square root. So here I'll write first 2.8. Okay, and next here is a two decimal point. So here 28. Okay, now 3 decimal point. So here 0 to 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal point. 0, 0, 0, 2, like this. Okay, so now add 8, 10, 8 plus 1, 11, 8 plus 1, 11. So 3. So this is your answer. 3.1108. So this is, don't get confused directly here. Only one pair is there, 2.8. Okay, understood? So here, try this now. So sometimes they'll give a question like, if 17561 6 is the cube value of 56. 56 raised to cube क्या होगा? 175616 होगा. 56 raised to 3 or a 56 cube value. Okay, so they'll ask you to find 3 raised to cube root of 175.616 plus cube root of 0.175616 plus cube root of 0.0017516. So what will be the answer? So they already given, no need to get tension. 56 cube value they given. So use here and give me the answer. 0.216 आएगा. Okay. So what is the answer of first one? So I'll write here. So पहले का क्या आएगा? 5.6 आएगा क्योंकि only one group. Second is a 2 groups. Third is a 3 groups. 5.6. Second one is a 2 groups. Third one is a 3 group. So add this 6, 1, 12, 6. 6.216 is the answer. 6.216 is the answer. Okay. So this is the thing how you have to do the square root, cube root in if it is in the decimal values. Okay. A few problems on decimal values in to do the operation of division. Okay, division operation. Okay, so here they'll give a question like 8.125 which divides by 0.05. Okay, 8.125 which divides by 0.05. So how to do this? First write here 8.125 and divided by 0.05 is there. So make a decimal equal. So I know everyone needs to know this. So make a decimal points equal. How to do? 8.125 is ऊपर का है, नीचे का भी make a 3 digit after decimal like 0.05. Okay, 0.05. Next क्या करना है? So whenever is the हमको क्या वैल्यू चाहिए? Decimal value चाहिए. Decimal value चाहिए. So whenever the division is 5 and upper digit is 5, what you have to make? Just multiply and divide above and up, down with a 2. Okay. Above and below what you make? Make a 2. So इससे क्या होगा? 5 into 2 क्या है? 10. Okay. 10 means what here again? You can easily make a any value. So अगर ऊपर का वैल्यू कुछ तो है, नीचे का वैल्यू 10 रहा तो I can directly write 0.5. So अगर मैं नीचे का वैल्यू, sorry, this is correct. 050 आएगा. Now what I'll do, I'll just multiply by above and below 2. Okay, so what I was telling, if anything is by divided by 100, so I can easily keep here 0.05. so keeping in this concept mind, what I'll do, I'll multiply and divide by 2. so if I multiply and divide, क्या होता है, if you multiply above 1, 8125 into 2, 2 5 are 10, 4 5 2 and 16. ऊपर का क्या आएगा, 6250 होगा. नीचे का क्या है, 50 into 2, so it will become 100. so this 0 will get cancelled. You'll get an answer as 1.625. sorry, इसका डेसिमल वैल्यू कितना आएगा. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, इफ बाय चांस decimal denominator is 5, okay, so try to make it as, if denominator is 5, try to make it as 10, or if try to make it as 100, so you can directly make it as in the decimal points. Okay, so instead of dividing 1 by 1, so this is the one way of doing the decimal division. Okay, so I'll take one more example. So here, one more example is 7.28 divided by 0.4. What will be the answer? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? If they given like this, right here 7.28 and 0.4 is there. So make a equal decimal places. So कैसे करना है equal decimal places? ऊपर का भी 7.2 है, नीचे का क्या करना है, 0.40. then remove the decimal values, you'll get 782 by 40. 782 by 40. so now 782 by 40, so it will be a like, directly we can write with a decimal value. कैसे करना है, tell me next value, next point. So you can directly, we have to use the formulas. Okay, based on the formula we have to solve some problems. Okay, so for that we should remember those formulas, basic formulas. So I'll write here what are the formulas, you just note down. I'll give a question like this, 68.237 square minus 31.763 square. So you have to find a value of that. Okay, we have to use here a square, we have to use a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b, that formula we have to use here. So how to use a plus b, a minus b? Just add, take this is the a and this is the b, add and subtract. So first 68.237 and 38.763. so if you add, you will get a, you will get 100. Okay, and if you subtract 68.237, 38.763, so we will get
36.474.
36.474. Okay, so here what is the answer now? You have to multiply these two. So if you multiply these two, this is already 100. Okay, this is 36.474. just keep a digit after 4 values. So you'll get a 36474. Okay, 36474, you will get a digit here. Okay, 3 plus, so 3647.4, you will get a answer. Okay, so this is the one question. So I'll give a one more question. You people try this now. What will be the answer of 2.39 square minus 1.61 square? So what is the answer? Keep in mind, after ये दोनों एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद मल्टीप्लाई करके देना है. Okay, then only you'll get an answer. Okay, tell me what will be the answer now. 2.39 square minus 1.61 square. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use a formula like this: a square minus b square by a minus b. A minus b, like, sorry, 3, how much?
3.1. 3.12.
3.12. बाकियों का भी, I'll just change this question. Same way, 2.39 square minus 1.61 square divided by 2.39 minus 1.61. So what is the answer? Actually answer ऊपर ही है. You can use this, but or else you can do separately. इधर आंसर कितना आएगा? Now only not only a top question. There's a 2 is there, numerator and denominator. To tell कैसे आएगा? So this is like, this is in the given form like this. This is given like this. Okay, a square minus b square divided by a minus b दिया है. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या आता है? a plus b, a minus b by a minus b. So a minus का term cancel हो जाता है. सिर्फ you have to do a plus b. So this we already did here. So you'll get an answer as 4. So ऐसे अगर आपको पूछे तो आप फॉर्मूला कैसे यूज करना है? a square minus b square minus divided by a minus b, क्योंकि नीचे का values are also the down values are also same. So if it is a minus b, in this above, a minus b term will get cancelled, only remains a plus b form. So just add 2.39 plus 1.61, you will get a 4. Okay, you'll get a 4. Any doubts in this? Question is asked like this. Third one, 2.644 square minus 2.356 square divided by 0.288. So what will be the value? Try this. So here, this is also in the form of a square minus b square, a minus b. A minus b क्यों? देखो, here I'll directly write 2.644 plus 2.356. Okay, and 2.644 minus
5.
yes, correct. So here अगर आप माइनस किए कितना 2.644 माइनस किए 2.356, so इधर क्या आएगा 8 and here 2, you'll get a 0. So here the same answer is 0.22. So here this one and this one will get cancelled, only इसको ऐड करना है आपको. So 10 5, so we will get an answer as 5. So आपका आंसर क्या आया अभी 5. So they may ask in another way like this. Okay, ऐसे क्वेश्चन पे आपको कैसे ये करना है? फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट 4 कैसे आया है. Is it came by addition of these two or a subtraction of these two? Okay, so just find that agar if it is coming by subtraction by both the values, then down will be a what? Addition of those two. And if it is a addition value, then down will be a subtraction value. Means कैसे आता है? So if it is a like above one is a square minus b square, and if it is a minus b, so you will get here a plus b. Okay, and if it is a minus b, so you will get here a plus b. So you just see that how you got the fourth value. Sorry, it is not 4 point, it's a 40. Sorry, it is a 40. So देखो अभी if I add these two, 36.54 and 3.46, this is a 10, this is a 10, this is a 10, so 4. So this is what now? A plus b. Okay, so that is a plus b. So what I have to do now? So what I'll do, मुझे क्या करना है? So a square minus b square, I know this is 40, I don't know this, so I'll bring that down, a plus b. So I'll take this unknown value other side. So here, as per here, what 36.54 square minus 3.46 square. So here I'll bring 40. Okay, here I'll bring 40, and here it will be a x. Okay, here it will be a x. Then what I'll do, I'll just extend this 36.54 plus 3.46 and 36.54 minus 3.46 divided by 40. So this is the addition. So these two will get cancelled. Only this remains. 36.54, 3.46 will be a what? 33.08. So your answer will be a unknown value. Answer will be a 33.08. Anybody got this answer?
Yes, sir.
The question is fifth one. 67.542 square minus 32.458 square divided by 75458 minus 40.374. So what will be the answer? देखो कैसे आएगा ये? Take this question. 4.2 into 4.2 minus 1.9 into 1.9 divided by 2.3 into 6.1. Give me the answer. The same formula. So here answer is a 1. So how? Dekho, the top one I can write as a square minus b square, and below one also I can write as a plus b, a minus b. So here a plus b, again I can write here a square minus b square, this down one. So you'll get answer as 1. No need to solve also. Solve करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Directly आपको ऊपर का भी a square minus b square है, नीचे का भी a square minus b square. So you'll get the answer as 1. Okay. So we'll go. So here the ऊपर का क्वेश्चन क्या है? 4.2 into 4.2, उसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 4.2 स्क्वायर करके लिख सकते हैं. एंड ये क्या है? 1.9 1.9, इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1.9. तो ये इक्वली क्या हो गया मेरा? a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर आ गया. एंड नीचे का क्या है? 2.3 एंड 6.1. 2.3 हमको कैसे आ गया? अगर आपको 4.2 a का वैल्यू क्या है? 4.2, उसको हम b का वैल्यू क्या है? 1.9, इनको दोनों को ऐड किया तो इधर क्या है? 6.1 आ गया. सो हियर 6.1 क्या है? दैट इज 4.2 प्लस 1.9. अगर इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, माइनस किया, तो 12 में 9 हो गया तो कितना आएगा? 3 आएगा. सो 4 में 2 हो गए तो 2 आ गया. सो इधर सो विल गेट अ 4.2 माइनस 1.9. ओके, हम इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? नीचे का अगेन ऊपर का सेम ही रहता है, 4.2 स्क्वायर 1.9 स्क्वायर. नीचे का हम स्क्वायर में लिखेंगे. ये क्या है? a प्लस बी है. ये क्या है? a माइनस बी. a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी क्या आएगा? a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर आएगा ना. सो इधर हम ऐसे ही लिखते हैं उसको भी, 4.2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1.9 स्क्वायर. ए भी सेम है, ए भी सेम है, तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. ऊपर का नीचे का कटा तो आपको आंसर कितने आएगा? 1 आएगा. ओके, और एल्स दिस इज एक क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है, ए प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मूले से कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी इन लाइक दैट. ओके, सो नाउ I'll take a one more question. I don't know number. 5.32 into 56 plus 5.32 into 5.32 into, just a second, 5.32 into 56, 5.32 into 44, okay, and divided by, okay, divided by 7.66 square minus 2.34 square. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Just try this. Okay, so I'll just tell this is a different way they asked. Okay, here before applying the formula, you have to just think for a second. So how we can apply this formula? So for this here, what you have to do? Here 5.32 is a common. Okay, so here is what 5.32 is a common. So just take 5.32 as a common. What remains? 56.44 remains. Okay, 56 point plus 44 remains. And नीचे में क्या है? This is in the form of a square minus b square. So what I'll write? I'll write in the expanding the expression. कैसे? 7.66 plus 2.34 and 7.66 minus 2.34. Okay. Now you can solve this. Try this now. Yes, correct. So what we have to do here? So I already know. I'll just write 5.32 into, अगर ये दोनों को ऐड किया तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 100 मिलेगा. So I'll get 100, and if I add these two, like 7.66, 2.34, so I'll get here 10. So here I'll get a 10 into, so if I do a subtraction, if I do the subtraction, 6 minus 4, 2, and 6 minus 3, 3, and here 5. So I'll get a 5.32. So here this one will get cancelled, and 10, 10 will get an answer as 10. So answer is 10 now. Question. 0.6 raised to 4 minus 0.5 raised to 4 divided by 0.6 raised to 4 plus 0.5 raised to 4. Give me the answer of this question. So this is a different formula, not a previous one. So think this and give me the answer. So here what? A value is what now? So here I can solve in this way. So here I can write here 6.6 square minus 0.5 square like this, and divided by 6.2 square plus 0.5 square. Okay, again this is what become a square, and this become a b square. So now I'll write here 0.6 square plus 0.5 square is a 1 plus group, and here 0.6 square minus 0.5 square divided by 0.6 square plus 0.5 square. 0.11 is the answer. 0.11. So here this full group will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Okay, so now take this 0.6 square minus 0.5 square. So इसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं बाद में? Just expand this 0.6 plus 0.5 and 0.6 minus 0.5. So here you will get a 11, and here you will get a 0.1. So I will get an answer as 0.
Sir, 1.1 will get, no?
1.1 or 1.11.
0.1.
0.6 plus 0.5 is 1.1, no?
So we'll get answer for this question is 0.11. The question is 7.5 into 7.5 plus 37.5 plus 2.5 into 2.5. So what will be the answer? So here you have to use a formula directly: a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, use a formula: a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here देखो 7.5 and 7.5, this is a square, and here this is 37.5. I can write like 2 into 7.5 and 2.5. Okay, plus I can write this as 2.5 square. So this will become my a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b bracket square can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so now I came to know what is the value of a and what is the value of b. So I'll just put here value is 7.5 is a value and b value is 2.5. I'll just add, so I'll get a 10. So here your answer will be like 10 square, and finally you'll get an answer as 100. Yes, समझ में आया? 100. Yes, understood? Zero point two into 0.2 plus 0.02 into 0.02 minus 4 in minus 0.4 into 0.02. Okay, now divided by 0.36. So what is the value of this question? What is the value? What is the value of this question? Okay, try this. And top question is, this is a form of a minus b bracket square. Okay, so here what you have to do, what they given, 0.2 into 0.2 means here is the a square plus 0.02 into 0.02. So here this is the b square, and take a 2 common here, 2 into 0.2 into 0.02. So here 2ab, and divided by just they given
0.44.
no. So here what a value is what now, 0.2, and b value is 0.02. So what is the formula? A minus b square. So here 0.2 by 0.02, इनको subtract करो, 8 1 0.18 आ गया. So what is the answer? 0.18 square. 0. So here what I got now, 0.18 square. I'll write that 0.18 and 0.18. This is my, I can write like this, and divided by 0.36. Okay, 18 to the 36. So 1 will get cancelled here, 2, and again 2 1s are 2 0.09. अगर आप 2 0.09 मल्टीप्लाई 2 से किया तो 18 and 1 and 0.18. तो आपका आंसर आ गया इधर 0.09. This is your answer, 0.09. A square find out karo, B square find out karo, and find the two AB forms. So now that is given in the form of A minus B square. So what is the A value? 0.2. What is the B value? 0.02. So formula is A minus B square. Subtract both 0.2 and 0.02. So we'll get a 0.18 square it is. So I can write 0.18 into 0.18 divided by 0.36. So 18 ones are 18 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 nines are. So we'll get a 0.09 as a answer.